guys, Griddle guys here. Nate and Chris here tonight. Jeff couldn't make it, but the show must go on. We're cooking chicken fajitas tonight. Very excited about it. Show you what we got to start with. We got some Spanish rice that Nate had cooked this morning. Let it chill for 3 or 4 hours in the fridge. And we got some marinated chicken breast that I cut up into thin strips last night. Marinated that overnight. Smell it already. It's very flavorful. We get 4 colors of bell peppers. We got the yellow, the red, the green, as well as the orange. Should look real nice on the griddle. Some sweet onions, Vidalia onions. Some cilantro. And of course, for those who like to spice it up like myself, some jalapeno peppers. So we're going to put this all together. I'm very excited about it. It's my first time doing fajitas on the griddle. Okay, so we're going to start. We got a hot griddle here. I'm going to throw the rice down. I'm just going to warm this up. Spread it out. Get it all out of there. Make a hot Say
Should we do a heart?
Yeah. That seems to be the thing, but I think we're all right. All right, so we'll let that sit. All right, we're going to throw the peppers and onions down now. Get the rice off to the side, very low heat just to keep it warm. Spin it around a little bit. Nice hot grill here. Let's start with the peppers. Look how pretty that looks, huh? Keep these going. Get the onions. I only want to cook these probably about between 50 to 75%. Just get them going, then put them off to the side, and then get the chicken going. I still like a little crunch in my peppers. I think you do too, Nate. You know it.
Yeah, I don't like them slimy. I don't like them slimy.
You don't want them overcooked. So.
Smells good.
Smells real good, doesn't it?
Mm-hmm.
I'm not going to add any spices here because I am going to mix this up with the fajita mix with the chicken. So I don't think it really needs anything. I mean, we could add some salt and pepper if we wanted to, but I don't think it's necessary with all the spices we're going to have. So we'll let that sit. Alright, so these are just about ready to be put to the side. They're about half done, maybe a little bit more. Got a nice, they look great. Smells delicious. But we're going to put it up the side and get the chicken going. We'll do that. I got this on low right here, this burner right now. Oh, this is colorful. What do you think, Dave?
I'm starving, that's what I think.
So, I'll do that right now. We're going to get through the chicken.
Let's get the chicken on there.
Throw it right on. It's going to cook pretty quick. They're very thin. Spread that out. Sounds good. Smells delicious. I'll let those sit for a few minutes. Get it going. Should I throw a little cilantro with the rice? Get it in there now, just to have it sit on top.
Yeah.
Yeah, a little bit. Mix that in there. Get it nice and warm. Not too much cooked, right?
Mm-hmm. It's Mexican. Gotta have cilantro.
So I just ran in the house. Thank God I got 3 of these spatulas. I almost went in with the chicken into the rice, but I wanted to get the cilantro in with the rice a little bit. Get it down there where it's a little bit warmer. I just want to flip it over a little bit. Look at that.
So that's the spatula that didn't touch the chicken.
This one did not touch the chicken. That's a pretty good move on my part.
Yeah.
So, I know you guys are out there all watching, so we like to keep things on the up and up.
I appreciate it, Chris. I
So do
appreciate
I.
it. I don't
So
want to
do
spend
I.
that much time in the
So we're
bathroom.
going to keep that one right there so we know what that's for. And I think the chicken's just about ready to be flipped. Move this around a little bit.
What do you got these burners on?
Get these on high.
high.
Medium high. I'm going to turn it up a little higher.
Smells good.
Everything is done here. I'm ready to mix it all together. We're going to do the best we can with this. This is a lot of food. Look at that. That looks good. It smells even better.
Perfect. I'm
I think we're
starved.
done. We're going to plate it.
Look at that. Beautiful.
Isn't that nice?
This is one of the huge advantages to having a griddle.
So we're just going to top this off with a little lime. A little sprinkle all over. Oh my God, if you guys could smell this. I wish someone's going to invent the smell through a camera.
Well, you gotta
This is...
you gotta put the size of this platter in perspective. You know, so hey, grab one of those spatulas. So you know, Blackstone owners out there, you know the size of the spatula, right? So this platter is what, 2 times the size?
Yeah.
That's just an enormous amount of fajitas, and I mean, if you want a griddle, you know the advantage of being able to turn out this much food without having an absolute ton of dishes. But I'm starving, so let's eat.